Mark Zuckerberg announcing 10 million downloads in its first 7 hours.
Hey there, Money Smart dudes. Welcome back to my channel where I unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss that's been making waves in the social media world, and that is no other than Instagram Threads, your new tool for financial freedom. I'll be diving into the latest app from Meta, and I'll show you how it can revolutionize your personal finance game while keeping you entertained. So, let's jump right in. Meta, owned by none other than the tech genius Mark Zuckerberg, recently unleashed Threads onto the world on July 5th, 2023, and it's already causing a stir. In just a matter of hours, it attracted millions of users, including celebrities like Kim Kardashian and politicians like Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Talk about a star-studded launch. But what is Threads? Well, imagine a combination of Twitter and Instagram, but with a twist. You see, guys, Threads is a discussion-based app where you can share your thoughts, opinions, and news with others. It's all about creating threads of conversation, hence the name. You see, you can post text updates, share photos, even videos up to 5 minutes long, and you get to include links of videos on your threads. It's like a virtual hangout where you can connect and engage with like-minded individuals. Speaking of hangouts, if you're loving this video on Instagram Threads, then I'll appreciate it if you can show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. You see, your support will help the YouTube algorithm share this video with more people who share our passion. And while you're at it, why don't you just hit the subscribe button? That way, you will never miss out on my latest videos, including the upcoming one on how to create a side hustle that pays off your debt in record time. On that note, guys, let's move on and find out why it's important that you should care about Threads. Let me tell you, this app couldn't have come at a better time. You see, Meta saw an opportunity to challenge Twitter's dominance, especially after Elon Musk's controversial decisions that shook things up. With Threads, Meta aims to offer a friendly alternative, providing a platform where healthy conversations can thrive. Now, let's not forget, Meta has Instagram's massive user base to tap into, making it an easy addition to existing habits for over 2 billion monthly active users. That's mind-blowing. All jokes apart, let's talk about how Threads can unlock your financial freedom. You see, guys, personal finance is all about learning, sharing, and growing together. And Threads offers a perfect space to just that. Whether you're a finance expert or a beginner on your financial journey, Threads can open up opportunities for you to connect with knowledgeable individuals, ask questions, and gain insights into the world of money management. To give you a taste of what's possible, let's explore how some creators are using Threads to educate and inspire others. Take Simran Kaur, the mastermind behind Girls That Invest. She's able to leverage Threads to share financial tips, personal stories, and free advice on budgeting and investing. You can join the conversation, ask her questions, or share your own experiences. It's like having a virtual mentor in your pocket. Another incredible example is Leah Haberman, a digital marketing expert. You see, she's using Threads to explore engagement rates with her course on working with influencers. She's helping others understand the world of social media engagement. And being on Threads has given her the platform to connect directly with the audience and provide valuable insights. Feeling inspired already? If you're eager to get started on Threads, here are a few ideas to start your personal finance journey. You can talk about your favorite features on the app, and you get to ask your community on how they adapt to new social media platforms, or you even can share different content styles to see what resonates best. Like I said, you can do this by joining conversations, tag celebrities for their opinions, or express your love for brands or influencers. Guys, the possibilities are endless on Threads. Trust me, I just tried it. And if you're interested to hook up with me, click on my Threads link below and let's have a conversation. Now, the big question. Should Elon Musk and Twitter be worried about Threads? Well, you see, with over 50 million subscribers in less than 2 days, Threads is already making waves. Guys, the positive reception and potential for a less toxic environment have got Twitter on its toes. You see, Elon Musk ownership has faced its fair share of challenges, including controversial decisions and a decrease in Twitter's daily usage. Against this backdrop, the launch of Threads can be seen as a competitive move by Meta to capture the market share from its rival Twitter. The timing is strategic, as Meta aims to leverage the challenges faced by Twitter and position Threads as a compelling alternative to users. But the story goes beyond just Meta's rivalry with Twitter. You see guys, there is also a broader landscape of uncertainty. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, as one of the top-ranked social media empires, faces wavering uncertainty in retaining its position. Challenges like TikTok and BeReal are on the rise, reshaping the social media habits of Gen Z. So, Threads' goal is to offer an alternative that resonates with users seeking a fresh and engaging experience. Guys, Threads isn't just for individuals. Businesses, listen up, I've got something for you guys. You see, Meta has designed Threads to attract brands and provide a safe and battleground for advertising. Already, brands like Billboard, HBO had their accounts set up within minutes of Threads launch. So, all you have to do as a business is to link your Instagram account and then you'll be able to scale your business effortlessly. This new Threads app will literally become a one-stop shop for advertising, allowing your business to make content based on your existing Facebook or Instagram activity. It's like having a walled garden to roam and connect with your audience. I know you guys are wondering, how can your business make money on Threads? Let me break it down for you. First, you need a strong profile. You see, you need to showcase your brand's uniqueness and credibility. By being present and active, you will attract attention and build your brand's identity over time. Okay, individuals, you're not left out too. You see guys, monetizing your Threads account is within reach. You can build a targeted and engaged audience by following relevant users and engaging with their content. You can have sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and sell your own products. So if you're very creative and determined, you can turn your Threads account into a money-making machine while sharing your passion with the world. Now, here's a $1 million question. Should you join Threads? While the long-term success of the app remains to be seen, there's no denying its potential. If you're an early adopter and you're someone who loves to ride the wave of new technologies, Threads offers an exciting opportunity. You can be one of the first to explore its features, engage with like-minded individuals, and potentially unlock new avenues for social media growth. And there you have it guys, we've reached the end of our thrilling journey through Instagram Threads, your new tool for financial freedom. In this video, we explore the exciting world of Instagram Threads and empower you on your financial journey. I'm sure you've learned about the app's features, its potential to rival Twitter, and how it can be a platform for personal finance education and engagement. So, whether you're a business looking to monetize your social media presence, or an individual seeking to connect with like-minded individuals, Threads offers a wealth of opportunities for you, and it does have the power to transform your financial journey. So go ahead, download the app and join the conversation today. One more thing guys, if you've enjoyed this informative and entertaining video on Instagram Threads, your new tool for financial freedom, then you wouldn't want to miss out my next video on how to create a side hustle that pays off your debt in record time. You get to discover practical strategies, tips, and real-life examples to inspire and guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Finally guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never get to miss any of my videos. Oh, I'm also on Threads like I said earlier on. Go ahead and click on my Threads link in the description box and let's hang out together. We can even get to share ideas on how to achieve financial freedom. As always guys, always stay money smart. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.